Hello and welcome to another commentary of another Bosco cartoon called Ups and Downs, directed by Hugh Harman and Rudolph Ising. This is the 8th in the Looney Tunes series. Once again, I have to apologise for the poor print. This is the best I could find. Obviously, the title screen is wrong. But this one, it's a very weird one. I mean, all Boscos have some sort of weirdness in it, but oh boy. I mean, look at that. Just straight up. Just dancing hot dogs. I mean, I don't know why those hot dogs are so happy. I mean, they're about to be eaten. Kind of reminds me, there was a Mickey Mouse cartoon where Mickey Mouse was selling hot dogs at a carnival. Now look at this ride. Now, if you look to the left, is that Mickey Mouse? I mean, it looks like Mickey Mouse. But yeah, I don't think a cow would let it have wheels on it and go for a ride. My goodness. See, and we're in a carnival, but where's this taking place? This is odd. Very odd. Now, of course, we're going to have a dog buying a hot dog, because why not? I love that. Love that animation of him just dipping its butt, I suppose, in the mustard. Now that's pretty clever. I don't know why he's hitting that mechanical horse. I mean, I'm pretty sure it can't feel anything. It's a robot after all. Yeah, why not? I love his typical villain moustache. Well, I guess that's one way to win. Just expand the head and... yeah, so... What definitely one of the stranger Boscos I've seen. But, yeah, until next time, thanks for listening.